The sky is no longer a limit. It's a canvas that just got a 360-degree upgrade. For years, the drone world was divided. You either had the high-speed, heart-pounding immersion of FPV drones like the Avata, or you had the slow, calculated spherical world of 360-degree cameras. You had to choose. Do you want to feel like a bird, or do you want to capture the entire horizon? In 2026, DJI decided that choosing is for the past. They didn't just update a drone. They invented a new category. This is the device that was whispered about in secret patents for 2 years. This is the game changer that has every content creator from Los Angeles to Miami checking their bank accounts. This is the DJI Avata 360. If you're listening to this, you're likely obsessed with the perfect shot. You know the struggle of flying a drone, perfectly tracking a subject, only to realize later that the best action happened just 5 degrees out of your frame. It's the ultimate filmmaker's nightmare. But imagine a world where missing the shot is physically impossible. Imagine a drone that records everything, in every direction, all at once, while you're screaming through a forest at 60 miles per hour. We are diving into a 30-minute deep dive into the most advanced FPV system ever built. We're talking about dual 1-inch equivalent sensors, 8K resolution at 60 frames per second, and a tiltable hybrid camera system that seems to defy the laws of physics. If you think the Avata 2 was good, you aren't prepared for what happens when you remove the blinders from an FPV drone. This isn't just an evolution. It's the total destruction of traditional aerial cinematography. Let's talk about the hardware, because this is where the magic happens. The DJI Avata 360 looks like a futuristic tank. It's larger than its predecessor, weighing in at around 455 grams. But that extra weight isn't bulk, it's muscle. The design features a revolutionary dual-lens housing that sits on a specialized high-speed gimbal. Here is the secret sauce. The Avata 360 features two 1/1.1-inch square CMOS sensors. For the non-geeks out there, that's essentially a 1-inch sensor for each lens. That is an insane amount of light-gathering power for a drone this size. Each lens has a 200-degree field of view. When they work together, they stitch a seamless 8K spherical world around the drone. But here is the feature that is setting the internet on fire: the seamless switch. With a flick of a toggle on the new RC Motion 3 or the Goggles N3, the drone switches from 360-degree capture mode to single lens mode. In single lens mode, it behaves exactly like a traditional Avata, focusing all its processing power into a front-facing 4K per 60 frames per second HDR feed. It's like having 2 drones in one housing. You can fly a high-speed FPV gap through a narrow window using the front lens, and the moment you clear it, hit a button to capture the entire surrounding landscape in 8K 360. It's a level of versatility that literally did not exist until now. Now, let's talk about the Active Track 360. This is where the AI processing of the O4 Plus system really shines. In the past, FPV drones were manual beasts. If you wanted to track a car or a mountain biker, it was all on your thumbs. If you messed up, the shot was gone. The Avata 360 introduces a sphere of protection and tracking. Because the drone can see in every direction simultaneously, the tracking is on